Okay, so this is a short reminder on how to graph linear inequalities. So I have 4 inequalities here, and I'm going to graph them in this coordinate plane. Now I start by recognizing that these bottom two, x greater than or equal to 0 and y greater than or equal to 0, means that I'm limited to the first quadrant. So I'm only going to draw that plane. The line x equals 0 is here, and I would shade that way, greater than 0. And y is greater than or equal to 0 is here, and I'd shade that way. So it's really talking about this plane. Now I'm going to graph these two lines. So I'll graph this one first. And I do this the way I graph things in standard form. So if x is 0, you can see that y is 4 in that first one. And if y is 0, x is 6. Those are my 2 points. I'm going to use my tools here and draw a line. Okay, and that's the line equals, so it's solid. And then I have to decide which way do I shade. And I'm going to pick 0, 0 here and see if it works. 0 plus 0 less than or equal to 12. It is, so I'm going to shade down. But I'm not going to sort of illustrate that all yet. I'm going to keep in mind that I'm going to shade down. Now I'm going to go to the second graph here. X plus 3y is less than or equal to 9. So I'm going to graph that. If x is 0, y is 3 here. And if y is 0, x is 9 here. So this graph becomes a line again from here to there. Okay, and again, I'm going to test the point 0, 0, because it's on one side of the line. Is 0 less than 9? It is. So I'm going to shade that one down as well. Okay, and if we think about where that common region is, where the common shading is, it's right here. So the solution to this system is actually any point in that polygon. Okay, so that's the answer to this question. Graph the solution to the system of linear equations. Okay, one question you're going to have to answer is, what are the coordinates of the vertices? So what are the coordinates of those 4 points? Okay, 3 of them we sort of found already, and one's obvious, I guess. These 2 we found already, that's obvious. This one we're going to need to solve a little system between those 2 to find that point. Okay, so that's what we got to do.